Assessment worksheet number 4, class 8, subject science. In first column, you have to write your name, and in second column, you have to write your teacher's name. Attempt all questions. Question number 1. Some metals are very reactive, some are less reactive, and also some metals do not react with anyone. A more reactive metal can displace less reactive metal from its salt solution, but a less reactive metal cannot displace a more reactive metal from its salt solution. If a more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution, such reaction is called displacement reaction. Now, question number 1 or A. What is displacement reaction? You have to define what is displacement reaction. Reaction in which more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution is called displacement reaction. B. When iron nail is dipped into copper sulfate solution, what changes you will observe? Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution because iron metal is more reactive than copper. Blue color of copper sulfate solution turns light green color due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, and also deposition of brown color copper on the iron nail. C. Zinc is more reactive than iron. What happens if put a strip of zinc in copper sulfate solution? Zinc displaces copper very fast from copper sulfate, and blue color of copper sulfate disappears and brown mass of copper deposited on zinc strip. Answer in one word. Name the property due to which metal can be drawn into wires. This property is known as ductility. Name the non-metal which occurs in liquid state. Non-metal. It means non-metal which occurs in liquid state. Bromine. Symbol is Br. C. Metal produce ringing sound. This property is called sonorous. D. Which metal is more reactive, iron or zinc? Answer is zinc is more reactive. D. E. The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. Your next question is match the following. Match the column 1 with column 2. So you have to match the columns. Lactic acid present in curd, so you have to match with. Fifth, acetic acid is vinegar, so you have to match with 1. Ascorbic acid present in amla, so you have to match with second. Citric acid present in all sour fruits, so you have to match with third. And E, sodium hydroxide, it is used for making soap, so you have to match with fourth part. Now next question. Write any two physical and on chemical properties of metal. Physical properties: metals are malleable, they can be beaten into thin sheets. Second, metals are ductile, they can be drawn into wires. Now chemical properties. First, reaction with oxygen. Generally, all metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Reaction is given to you when magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms metal oxide or magnesium oxide. Metal plus oxygen, it provides metal oxide. Second, reaction with dilute acid. When metal reacts with dilute acid, they form salt and produce hydrogen gas. You can write the word equation: metal plus dilute acid, salt plus hydrogen. And one example is given to you: zinc plus HCl, twice HCl, it produces zinc chloride, ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas is released. Your next question is: among copper and carbon, which one is used to make electric wires and why? So, your answer is copper is a metal while a carbon is a non-metal. Metal are good conductor of electricity, so copper is used for making electric wire. Next question is: no, thanks for watching.